Hey, this is Charles from InfoSpike, and today I'll cover GPT Creator Club in this review. What is it? The GPT Creator Club is a monthly membership that helps you create and sell custom AI tools without technical hassle. Each month, you get a ready-to-go AI tool that you can rebrand and sell as your own. This program makes it easy to profit big time with AI, even if you're just starting out. You get done-for-you custom GPTs. Every month, members receive these custom AI tools built to handle tasks like content creation, productivity, and idea generation. You can rename and rebrand it to fit your style. These tools are designed to help you score big in the AI market without long hours of setup. You get ready-to-use sales materials. The program includes professional sales copy, email sequences, and social media content. This removes the guesswork from promoting your tools. With everything prepared for you, it's easier to cash out and grow your business. Step-by-step training. Detailed video guides walk you through customizing and launching your tools. Even if you've never worked with AI before, the training ensures you'll be ready to generate income quickly and confidently. White label rights. With full white label rights, you can sell these tools as your own and keep 100% of the profits. This feature allows you to make a killing in the growing AI space with minimal effort on your part. Exclusive bonuses. Joining gets you more than just tools. You'll receive 3 bonus GPTs, a one-on-one strategy call to help you plan, and the chance to submit ideas for future tools. These bonuses help you reap the benefits faster than ever. Who should join? The GPT Creator Club is perfect for beginners, busy professionals, and anyone wanting to create AI tools without a tech background. If you're ready to strike it big, this program gives you everything you need to get started. Affordable pricing. Choose a $37 a month membership or a one-time $297 lifetime plan. The lifetime plan option locks in access to all future tools and content, helping you grow your savings without ongoing costs. I also want to let you know that this one-time lifetime plan is offered for a very limited time, and it's May 2025. So I want to let you know that up front that this may not last forever. Satisfaction guarantee. The program offers a 14-day satisfaction guarantee. If it's not for you, you can request a refund and keep the tools you've downloaded. It's a risk-free way to secure financial success with AI technology. So I want to let you know that you can get the lowest price on GPT Creator Club. All you have to do is check out the link in my description. Thanks for watching this. This is Charles Draven from infospike.com.